In Islam, gambling is not considered to be a simple game or frivolous pastime. The Quran often condemns gambling and alcohol together in the same verse, recognizing both as addictive social diseases, with dire consequences for the individual and the society as a whole. The general teaching in Islam is that all money is to be earned, through one's own honest labor, and thoughtful effort or knowledge. One cannot rely upon luck or chance to gain things that one doesn't deserve to earn. Such schemes only benefit a minority of people, while luring the unsuspecting, often those who can least afford it, to spend great amounts of money on the slim chance of winning more. You who believe intoxicants and gambling, idolatrous practices, and divining with arrows are repugnant acts of Satan's doing. Shun them so that you may prosper. Chapter 5, verse 90. The Quran also says, "They ask you about intoxicants and gambling, say, there is great sin in both, and some benefit for people. The sin is greater than the benefit. They ask you what they should give. Say, give what you can spare. In this way, God makes His messages clear to you, so that you may reflect." Chapter 2, verse 219. What about you? Have you tried gambling? What do you think about it? Share your experience below.